So again, it's Priscilla Batzell, Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a wet Artist Loft primed canvas and some leftover paints. And I think I'm going to use some of my Artist Loft amethyst in there and a little bit of dioxazine purple. And if I can put my hands on it right off, there it is. The need is white metallic. And what else? Maybe some orange, since it's not yet Halloween but getting close. And I'm just going to take whatever I've got. The black paint that was in the bottom is a couple days old. And it was just under a saucer lid that I didn't notice. And I thought about blowing some blooms into these things just to see how that would work. Right now I'm just interested in giving myself a random selection of colors. And I see that I like the gold in there. It's time to put, oh, no glop. No glop. Okay, maybe some glop. We'll put that right in the bucket. And grab the gold, because that seemed like a good idea at the time. And I have a big bottle even if I can't find the small bottle, which must be here somewhere. Now, I kind of like that right like it is, but I think what I should do is grab an edge catcher. Or blow things around. I'm perverse. I really just like that the way it is. So, I'm going to grab some other paint. In this case, some Hot Orchid. And throw some black cell activator that's just Amsterdam black in there. Do the same thing again, maybe with some white in a minute. Maybe a smaller one. Let's try that with the pink diamond. See how it goes. I like it with just one color, actually. And then it's just a question of whether I want to swipe or tip or what, or nothing. The or nothing is definitely still crossing my mind. I have my edge catchers ready in case I change my mind. I find the gold. I think we need a little bit more. I think what I would like to do is see what happens with the gold and the black. In this case, I went a little further than I needed to. So I'm just going to grab a little tiny bit of the Hot Orchid. I'm just going to play. That's what's happening. I like this color and this color. And I have some dioxazine purple. Cell activator, also with Australian Floetrol in it. Although I'm kind of thinking the black was better. So I'm just going to do it again. Which is not bothering me. I'm getting a little more populated with flowers than I really think I wanted to be. But since this is an abstract, unparalleled, or uncomparable, I still want to try the white. Yeah, I get my glasses slid too far down my nose and that's what happens. This is the pink diamond. This is a Color Art color. Prism pour. I want to drizzle some black all over, but I'm not sure that that's a good idea. I'm not sure it's a bad idea either. I could certainly use one of my little tools if I wanted to do some strange stuff. Maybe cell activator is the way to go. Just go nuts. Do something totally out strange. My puddles of paint I can leave because I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures. I just thought I'd mention that. My paint pouring recipe is below the video. I'm not sure about any of that. I don't actually want to waste my colors at all. But I can definitely continue to add stuff. Just going to let that go right down over the edge. Someday I'm going to set out a little palette, a bunch of different colors, so I can dip a skewer in and add dots of different colors without taking a chance on them becoming big blobs of color because I'm trying to get them out of a squeeze bottle. I'm wondering if I can grab some yellow. I never ever use the yellow, to be honest. I've never tried it in a bloom anyway. And if it happens to turn green, I guess that will not be the end of the world. My little tools, my little acetate tools, there is a video creating them. That is gloppy as heck, that black, but I'm thinking that I should be able to do something with it. I still don't hate it, but I'm getting close to thinking I might have done enough. Just want to play. Cool. I realize I might be a little quieter than usual. Oh, I'm not hating that at all. It's a process. Oh, maybe some gold as well. Oop, I dribbled. That's funny, I really had wanted the orange to become dominant. So what would happen if I put some cell activator and blue into those marvelous little lines I have that I really don't need to do anything to? The black sort of reminds me of stems. So I don't actually mind making any marks. It might remind me of flower stems. Or leaves. And I'm getting close to feeling like I could probably happily be done. With this totally nonsensical painting, which I happen to like. But I'm thinking I need a little more yellow. I'm going to be very careful with this yellow. I do not want an overabundance of this yellow. I have little tiny dishes. But when they come apart, it can be very handy. And I ought to find them again and put them back on my Amazon link, because that's where they used to live. It's a very abstract design. It has pretty much no meaning. And I'm being called to a different color yellow. And for some reason I'm just not seeing exactly what I want when I want it. I haven't gone too far, but I got really close. This is that yellow orange, and I love this color. As opposed to the yellow, which I tolerate and appreciate. But that's good. I don't know if it'll stay or not. Alright, so strange abstract, and I'm going to call it done in a second at least. And I don't usually make things that are so very, very much like this is. Whatever this is, it's different. It's all on its own. I do sell my artwork. You can find my email address to reach me if you have an inquiry underneath the link tree that's directly under the video. It may be under Show More under the video. If you're looking for more videos, please look for more videos. I have 2,200 of them, and I'm more than happy to have you look for them on my YouTube channel, which is populated by the community board and playlists. if you look on playlists, all playlists, created playlists, you will more than likely find 2,200 videos organized by topic and genre. I'm just throwing a couple more dots in and looking to see if there's anything that I want to lead around the edge. And I'm thinking that glop there would be perfect to throw down on the edge. Because glop serves no other purpose except for creating a large lump in my painting. But that was worth the risk, because that was fun. Thank you guys for joining me. I really appreciate you being here. I post 7 days a week at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. I do not make a living doing this, so if you are interested in seeing me continue what I am doing and helping me survive, then I have a monthly drawing going on, always, and you can see the prizes included in that drawing at the beginning of the exhibition video that I put on the end screen of every video. That's better. I don't know if that is, but I'm still liking what's going on. And I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out, and I really appreciate that. I didn't know what I was going to do here, but I did know I had leftovers, and they were pretty colors and pretty shapes. And I used up most of my time, and I want to tell you guys, if you check my link tree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My Facebook groups are Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, and you will find Le Gallerist, my clothing made in Montreal, which is investment quality with beautiful, beautiful fashions. Also, you will find my brand new Society 6 store, which is really got some beautiful stuff. I picked out some of my favorite patterns to use on all kinds of wonderful objects that everyone can use. And I want a bunch of them, but I can't afford them yet. We'll see. My Amazon link is on the link tree also, and my 2 books are on the Amazon link, as well as my OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatula and other spatulas by Princeton, and lots of paint and cameras, you name it, it's on there. But my 2 books are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I want to thank you for the wonderful comments and the compliments that keep my morale boosted. I want to thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. There's never more than 15 people a month in my drawing. I think I got to 18 once in the last 4 years, but it helps. If you have questions, please ask. My community board will show you tomorrow's video more than likely. I did mention that I do sell my artwork, and if I didn't, I am now. And my email address is the way to get in touch with me. It's easpb, the word gallery spelled out, @gmail.com, and you will find it also under the link tree. I think I have told you almost everything except for that the clothing under the video is by Spring, and it bears my designs, and it's all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts, which reminds me, the Le Gallerist is also all over prints. I can't think of anything else. Wow, did I really do it? I torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint, and my paint pouring recipe, as well as my cell activator recipe, are underneath the video. If you have a question, don't forget, you can ask. I'm inviting you. I love you guys. You inspire me. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I should zoom in, because this is just fun. Unfortunately, the timer is a little bit irritating. Bye for now. See you guys anon. Priscilla out.